Hello and welcome to the car of Fiesta 2005. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're out here in my garage. We're going to be unboxing what's called a Windshield Wow. So I found this kind of looking for something to help clean my windshield on my car, or really the windows on my car, because I've tried all the different gimmicks they have. They have things with handles and things they say that will go into tight corners, and it's really hard. I just end up doing it with my hand, which gives me, I get contorted in these weird positions, and it kind of hurts. So I found this product, just looking for a solution. And we'll take a look at it in a minute here, but basically what it is it's two magnets that have Velcro on them, and you put a microfiber cloth. They come with it, but you could also probably buy your own and cut them to size. But basically it's two magnets that hold the microfiber cloth on both sides of the glass, and you move it around from the outside. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box here. There's not much to the packaging. But basically you have the two paddles here. They're split up by two foam pads, so they don't stick together. They're really strong magnets. And this is the outside. So you kind of hold on to it. They also have a device that kind of screws on here if you have a truck or something, and it has a longer handle so you can reach your window. And then they have the other side here. Has that's the part that goes on the inside of your window. Let me see if I can. Ooh, yep. You got to be careful. Let me put it on the concrete here. So these are really powerful magnets. You got to be careful. I see that. So it has Velcro attachments here, the one side of a Velcro, and it goes. Let's see what else is in the box here. So they have some instructions on what to do, like watch the video before you use it. So we'll probably go ahead and do that. And then different, see, it even says these are strong magnets. It's not like super, like, it's not going to smash your finger, but it's going to be surprising. It just surprised me when I put it on my car here. So, and they also have, the foam pads, so they don't touch each other because they're really hard to get off, etc., etc. So I also have these. It comes with two different pads, actually. These are like if you clean your window and you have, let's say, you can get your the fog build up on your window that shows up over time. I have some of that on my window right now. But these are kind of for in between, just to keep your window clear. But they also have, basically it gives you quite a few pads, and these are obviously washable and reusable, so they should last you a pretty good long time. I don't know. Let's see how many. What do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 9 to 10 microfiber cloths here. But let's go ahead and put it on. So basically you kind of lay it on here, and it sticks to the pad. And then you set it up to put it on your window. So we're going to break here. I'm going to set it up, and we'll see it in use on my windshield. Alright, we have everything set up here. basically what you do is you take your, like I said, you take your microfiber cloths, you stick them to the Velcro, and then you pick basically any glass cleaner that you want. They recommend ZEP, Z-E-P, window cleaner, but I just picked this. It's called Sprayway. Of course, their marketing is the world's best glass cleaner. Spray and wipe clean. They say it's streakless. Everybody says it's streakless. I have not found one yet, but I just picked this one up yesterday, so we'll see how it goes. Might do better with this system, but yeah. So basically, what you want to do is you want to spray the microfiber cloth. This is what the manufacturer of Windshield Wow recommends. You spray it directly on the cloth. I mean, some people will do it on the window itself, but you'll usually run into the fact that it'll dry before you get there. So it's always best practice to do it on the cloth. And so we got the outside here, so we'll take that, put it up here in the corner. And it's not magnetized yet, so we'll take this one here. And you gotta hold on to it because it does really get on there. So basically, what they recommend is that you stay away from. Every car has these like black lines or maybe a different color, but lines where your trim actually goes up to the edge of this black stuff. So you want to stay away from that, even though it's kind of hard to do because your brain sees that there's glass that needs to be cleaned down here, right? But you can only do the clear stuff with this because it will fall off. And this is my first time doing it. First time, a couple times using it, so it might be difficult to do, but yeah. Basically, there's, you scrub it back and forth here. Keep it on the clear. But now you can kind of see where the rear view mirror is, so you make a line there. Go all the way to the bottom here. Kind of curve up a little bit. See, it's kind of hitting it there, so I gotta kind of goes into corners better than round spots. But you give it a scrub a couple times. You can move it really fast. It's still connected. You can see it kind of moving back and forth. But these magnets are it's actually quite the workout, right? So I can't really see the top here, but yeah, it's actually quite the workout. So if you need some cardio, you need to go wash your window, do it with these magnets. It'll raise your heart rate a little bit. But kind of go up and down the side here. All right, so looks like we have good coverage. So bring it up to the top again so I can reach it and pull it off. Inside is definitely wet too. So bring these back down, take the wet ones off, set them aside. And then they also recommend to, sorry, kind of winded, must be out of shape. They recommend that you do it again with dry cloths to wipe it all off and get the streaks out. So here we go. Dry cloth. Back at the top here. Hang on to it. Try not to pinch your fingers. Alright. Then we'll run it back and forth again. It's going to chatter a little bit because it's dry, but yep, just like that. So yeah, got too close to the black here. watch that. It's hard to do when the light is shining off the glass. Your brain can see it. It's like, oh, we gotta get that clean. So you could probably, take the outside paddle here and clean the outside of your window, but really on the inside, you don't really need to do it. You just go all the way up to the black. That's all you're gonna be able to reach with your hand anyway. Push it back up to the top here. And then that looks up. I definitely hit the rear view mirror. So yeah, there's it's doing a really good job of getting the streaks out. I don't see any on this side. I'll have to go inside and check it out, but yeah. It's kind of damp now. But yeah, so it's really tough to get this off. So there you have it. I would say first time use, this thing is doing pretty good. I can go and check the inside really quick. I have no complaints. I'm going to go do the other side. After this video, I do have some smudge marks, and my kids sit in the back, so we can try to get those smudges off to see how it does. But doing the windshield here, I have no complaints. Obviously, there's chips and stuff in my windshield that are not going to go away with the windshield washing. So, but yeah, I mean, streak-wise, that cleaner did a fairly good job. I'll have to get it out in the sunlight to see for sure. But yeah, basically that's all for the video. If you guys want to check out the product, I'll link it down below as well. But the website is windshieldwow.com, and it looks like a fairly new product, even because they're patent pending even. So I don't know what that means, but it's been out for a few months at least. I think they had a Kickstarter or something a while ago, but they now have their own website, and it's looks legit to me. I used Apple Pay, so payment was secure. Always do that when you're online shopping. Use PayPal or Apple Pay, or so you don't have to spread your credit card information out there, because I actually recently had some fraud happen to me. So, pro tip of the day there. Otherwise, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if somebody else has this, if they have other tips that help, or maybe you have a glass cleaner that you like to use. Maybe I haven't tried it before. I can try it out. So I would recommend this at least for a first time use. I think it does a good job so far. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.